Hello, I have a thrift haul. I'm going to film this first part down the beach. I'm leaving a few things here. And then I was going to show you the bathroom we've been working on. But it's going to be a gorgeous day out here today. Oops. It was about 7, and I planted my fatsia over there. It was about 70 degrees yesterday. And just beautiful. I'll show you. I got all the holiday stuff out, and this is kind of just what I got going on in here. I don't think I got anything new. I think I showed you that table. Yeah, I think you saw that. And this is just my usual stuff. Let's see. You know, I got something I was going to leave here. Oh, these cups. We're always looking for these souvenir cups from local places. This one's from Shores. I'm not crazy, I'm a fisherman. They look 80s, I guess. So I'll leave those and these ones. And having a crabby day in Ocean Shores. You shouldn't be crabby if you're at Shores. And let's see, anything else? Oh, this picture, this cool cocktail pitcher. It's glass and it has a... Oh, those cups were 49 cents a piece. This was $3. It's a glass cocktail pitcher. I just washed it up and have it here. I don't know if there's anything else. Oh, I know. I made the cover for the... Oops. This room is... cover for this bed. This is the one that got the black stain on it. It was horrible. So got the cover on there. I don't think there's anything. This is where all the action has been. We put this tub surround in because it was just like old enamel paint walls, and it's bowed out and it was funky and sort of creepy. And so I ordered this. It came in 4 pieces. Okay, the sides here, the corners. See, it has these little ledges that I can put my stuff on. And then the back. And then see, we didn't have a shower head up here. And we didn't want to tear the wall apart to put one in. It had a thing similar to this faucet with a spout going into the tub here. And then it had a weird pipe that came up that was kind of pieced together. So we took that out, put that one in. That was super fun. And put this in with just a holder up here. So it works great. And it looks so much better. And then Mr. Retros painted this tub. This tub was not very good. We still have to do the caulking along the edge, but wow, it looks fabulous. It was sort of a funny off-white color. I don't know if that's the color he painted it or if it turned that color. Let's see, it looks really good. The neighbor lady said he had trouble with it when he painted it. It took 2 weeks for it to dry. This dried really super fast. We put 3 coats on last night, but it's beautimous now. And I just moved my, this is where the lamp exploded. This was my grandma's TV lamp. I just put that there. And this stuff, that's that Ralph Lauren thing. And this wall, I redid my towel rack. I put this print, it's a Turner. Oh, where is it? There it is. It's just a Turner print of let's see if I can get it without a whole bunch of glare. This is so small, it's hard to show you anything. It's just a Turner print, and I've gone with a really soft color here. These are the towels I got. I got these at Dollar General, actually. And I redid my towel bar setup. I had a series of towel bars that was just awful. So that's what we got going on. So this part is done. And then this part is super scary. Let me show you. This stuff is all going to be replaced. He put all new. It's such cheap junk now. It's all leaking. So we're coming back next week. Going to be replaced. So it's going to be, see, there it is outside. Oops. It's going to be so pretty down here. So that's what we got going. So we will be back. So I will see you in a few minutes with the rest of my haul. Bye. Hello, I'm back in Seattle now. I'll show you the rest of my haul. But first I wanted to show you, this is that fabric I got at the Senior Center. Yes, I did. And I made this shirt for Mr. Retros. Let me see if I can, there he is. I think I got this other material at the Senior Center too. It's really nice. See, it's, I don't know if you can see the color. It's like a seafoam, very light seafoam green. I think it's got some polyester so it won't wrinkle real bad, but this is a pattern from 1958 that I used. I put the panels on. It didn't come with panels, and I think it was the Simplicity one, although Advance has ones too. If you've ever watched the show Storage Wars, and that Barry guy, he had his shirts made with that pattern. Oh, here's the back. This one has the pleats in the back.
And Liz completely made this
Yes,
shirt.
I made this yesterday.
All hand done.
Yes, all hand
For
done.
the prince.
Yes, for the little prince. So,
Hugs, not drugs.
hugs, not drugs. See, it's just great. Look at that. Just say
Don't be a
no.
loser user.
Users are losers. What's this one say?
This is the coolest material I think I've ever seen.
Be smart, don't start.
Right.
That could go for anything.
Yeah,
You know,
right.
really.
You could
So-
say that about anything.
You could say that to a lot of people.
Right.
So, okay. So, I'm going to turn it over to him
Bye, everybody.
and show you my haul. I didn't get much at the beach. I got this cool thing, mainly. This is so awesome. It's a volcano, and that changes color. It's better at night. I got that at Thrift City for $4. It's awesome. So, I used it as an opportunity to showcase my nicest Tiki pieces. This one, I don't know why I thought I had two of these. I wish I had two of them. This is really cool. I don't know what it, it looks 70s to me. I don't know, but I really like the volcano. It's sort of lava lamp-ish, but it goes nicely with them. So that's mainly what I got at the beach. Not a lot of really great stuff. This I got at the Goodwill last week. I'm looking for these tipsy glasses. I think Libby made these. Somebody's sniffing my pants real bad, Coco. But I like them. They're kind of cool. And I think this was 49 cents. I got that one. And then I found these were $2 or $3, I think. Can you see it okay? They're etched. They're Oraphors. They have this etched design with a polar bear swimming. It went with fish and stars. It's really cool. There's two of them. And the base is leaded crystal, blue crystal, and it's by, I don't know if you can read that. It's this guy, I think it's Ray Lipsis from 08. And he did other things for Oraphors, but I think these are very
nice.
Very, very nice. I love Oraphors glass. Look at the fish. It's a really nice design, and they're weighted perfectly. Usually I wouldn't buy anything like this because it's so tippy. You can barely carry it across the room. It's like, but these are very nicely weighted. Beautiful glasses. So I think those were $2 or $3 a piece, which is awesome. And then I went to Salvation Army yesterday. I got something else. I don't remember what it was. Oh, I just got a lightweight robe. That was it. This was $1. And these are cool. They're like those big hair clippy things, only they're for your cords. So we can always use these. I'm not sure how they work exactly. I could get them out of there and try it out. Oh, they just sort of ratchet. So, yay on those for $1. And then I found these. It's getting hot in here. These were Luminaras for $6. And so there were 4 of them. One was out. Some creep took it out and left it on a shelf. And it's got the remote, and it takes AA batteries. I put batteries in this one, and so they work nice. It's got timer or off and on, so let me see. But this is a nice size. See, the Luminaras are the good ones. They sell these at Pottery Barn and QVC and stuff. These are the ones they use in the Haunted Mansion in Disneyland. So they say, so I think those are cool. So this whole set. I don't really use this. I have one of these for my other ones. I never use it. But it's nice to have it if you want it. 4 of them for $6. So I thought it was pretty good. And I got this. Is the Lincoln, it's called the Lincoln line. This is really heavy. Decanter. It's got a rubber stopper, so it'd be good to use. And it's by Fitz and Floyd. Yeah. And it was $1.99, which I thought was pretty good. So I can use this decanter. So, because I use these for when I do my infusions. So that's pretty nice. So that's what I got yesterday. Then today I went to Deseret. Ugh. It was crazy in there, but I got a few things. I got this cool bin. I'm going to be redoing my work area here at the house, and so I need stuff to stash my work supplies in. So I think this was like $2 or something. It's just covered with burlap, and it says Brazil coffee. Brazil, where the nuts come from. Brazilian coffee, tree style. So I thought it was kind of cool looking. So then you can use that. And got another one of these. This one's a little bit deeper. Huh. Maybe that's supposed to be like a wine. I don't know. This one was $1.50, but look how dirty that is. Meh. Yeah. Ew. So I will be washing this. These were dirty too. Yeah, I guess I'll wash it, you know.
Okay, if you think that's a good
because
thing.
I might have to use it. But, you know, it's just like a guest. You're okay with this, right? Yeah.
Yeah, is there a problem?
Yeah, what? Icky. I got this purse that's really cool. It's a Steve Madden. I don't think it's leather, but it would go like this. And it's got a big zipper. Big old zipper on here. And it's got I've been wearing crossbodies. I've been liking crossbodies lately. And here's the jobby do. Where's Steve Madden? I don't think it's, yeah, I think it's vinyl. That's alright. And it's got another pocket in here. I guess that's for your phone or something. But I thought it was kind of unusual and cool. It's got a zipper and a clip. So you're super duper secure. And a nice strap. So I thought it was kind of cool. So, that was $3. Let's see. Oh, this I'll show you last because I'll explain. And then this is the only other thing I got. Just more for my work area where I can put my supplies in to hide them. So it's just one of those... they used to put these in lingerie drawers and vanities in these satin little boxes from like the 60s. And it's just blush pink, which is cool. This I'm going to use. This was 75 cents. I have a severe potato bug and earwig problem at the beach. Ugh. I think it's because, it's just, I don't like them. Right. If I see them, it's severe, you know, so I hate them. And we're out because we're so far out in the woods. So if you take this thing, and you bury this in the ground up to here, and you punch a small hole in here, and then you fill this with vegetable oil and soy sauce. They go in and they don't come out. You know. Yeah. So this is what I've read. I'm going to try it when I go down there. But I've also heard of the rolled up newspaper thing, but I don't have steely enough nerves to handle a newspaper full of earwigs. It's not my thing. This is easier. Then you just toss this whole thing into the woods.
And shoot it.
Shoot it. Just throw it up and shoot it. I think it's duck hunting season down there. We hear a lot of shooting lately. So I think, I don't know. Just, we're busy down there all the time, so I don't have any time for that kind of stuff. Not that I would hunt anyway.
Right.
But, so I'm going to try this. This is my big project, and I'm going to spray weeds.
Alright.
So I got my work cut out for me. So I think that's all I have. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.
Stay off drugs, fool.
Yeah. Nice.